Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today we're in Oakland, California, installing 3 Verkada cameras for the city of Oakland. Let's go check it out. It's Monday, September 20th. We're in Oakland, California, working on a project for the Oakland PD. We're going to be installing 3 cameras on this corner of 9th and Alice in Oakland. And we're going to be running some conduit out this building. I don't know the plan yet. We have 2 options. One might be going through that hallway, popping out and coming across here, going over these humps like lower or above that window, or going through this guy's office, then coming back out. I'm not sure which way the path is, but there's a lot of crime going on, and Verkada's donating, I think, 15 to 20 cameras to put all around the city of Oakland. And this is the first 3 that we're mounting and getting up on the wall. So that's what we're doing today. We're going here and here. And then I have another camera that's going to go in the corner, but I don't have the mount yet. So that's where the cameras are going to be. I don't know where we're going to be able to come out at from his ceiling. You know what I'm saying? But those are the 2. I'm going to have 2 cameras there. And then in the middle, I have this other mount that's going to mount like this to hold a camera. So we're actually mounting this junction box here in the lobby. I got my buddy Jared here with Olympus Electric, who's helping me out do the electrical and the conduit at this location. And we are going through 2 different offices from the lobby to get over to the corner location where we needed to be to have these surveillance cameras on the corner to get the view that we needed. So that's one of the offices we went through. Then we had to go through a second office, and then we had to drill through that building, through one set of sheetrock to another set of brick to the mortar outside to get out to these cameras. And we had to use like this 24-inch bit to get through there. So right here, we're putting in this fisheye with the tilt mount on this corner bracket. And then we're going to have 2 4K cameras on a mount 2, mount 8, left to right of this guy, which you'll see at the end. So we had to run 3 brand new Cat 6 from that junction box out to there. And then we also had to bring internet from that room back to the switch, so it's out of this client's location, because we're sharing a client's internet. We're basically taking a port off their switch in this one business location, moving that back to our junction box, our 12 by 12 by 6 junction box in the lobby. So if we ever have to troubleshoot it, we can access it without disturbing the tenant. Still got to silicone these holes. Man, it was hot that day, dude. I was out there cooking. I think Chris, our videographer here, he had some sunblock for me, but it was too late. I was already burnt. I was already cooked. So that's it right there. That's the end view. So we got a camera looking down the left alley, camera looking down the right alley, fisheye looking at that whole block. That fisheye is a 12 megapixel fisheye, and then we have 2 4K cameras. I think CD62s on those mount 2, mount 8s. I mean, the building, we had to get permission from the building owner to install that. The building owner was super pumped about having the security on there that they have access to, how clean it looked, And the Oakland PD was happy, Verkada was happy, and I think they actually did a press conference about this install later on that week, which we might have a link to. We'll put it down in the description for you. So that was it, man. That was the first installment of cameras that are going around the city of Oakland. We're gonna have some more videos for those later on. So thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one. Later.